A powerful winter storm swept through Texas and Oklahoma, covering roads in heavy snow and ice, before moving eastward into the southern United States. This rare weather event caused widespread disruptions, but also brought joy to millions of students who enjoyed unexpected snow days in areas unaccustomed to such frosty conditions. The storm's effects were felt in metro Atlanta early Friday morning when snow began to fall before sunrise. The snowfall led to significant travel interruptions, particularly at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, the busiest in the world. Hundreds of flights were delayed or canceled, and a ground stop temporarily halted all landings and takeoffs. The chaos escalated when a Delta Airlines flight to Minneapolis aborted its takeoff. Four passengers were injured, one seriously enough to require hospitalization. Although Delta cited an engine issue, officials couldn't confirm whether the storm contributed to the incident, leaving travelers unnerved.
Oh, he's sliding. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah.
I'm really gonna fight y'all. Like, y'all really have no idea.
So we need to call battery security. Oh, no. We need to call battery security and tell them they need to close off these streets. Oh, he's getting out.
As the storm's reach expanded, Arkansas and North Carolina activated their National Guards to help stranded drivers and clear roads. Governors in the affected states declared emergencies, and school closures stretched from Texas to South Carolina.
Run, Bessie, run.
For many students, it was a rare treat, but for emergency responders, the storm demanded relentless effort to ensure safety. Snowfall totals smashed records across the region. Little Rock, Arkansas, received nearly 10 inches of snow, more than double its annual average. Some parts of the state saw up to 12 inches, while Memphis, Tennessee woke up to 6 inches, surpassing its yearly average of 2.7 inches.
Who's your doggy? Who's your doggy? Who's your doggy? Who's your doggy? Where's the doggy? Where's the dog?
Oh my god. It's so fun.
She's so extra.
That's so fun.
The storm's effects extended even further. Northern Alabama schools closed due to treacherous, snow-covered roads, many of which became impassable by Friday morning. In Memphis, Tennessee,
Central Oklahoma and northern Texas weren't spared, with snow accumulations reaching 7 inches, highlighting the storm's historic and widespread impact.
Oh my god. It's so fun.
She's so extra.
That's so fun.
Forecasters warned that the storm would continue its icy advance through Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and West Virginia, with some areas bracing for up to 8 inches of snow. In Atlanta, memories of the infamous 2014 snowstorm prompted swift action to avoid a repeat.
Mama, I know you in heaven. It's snowing. Oh, look at all the snow, y'all. Look. Snowing in Atlanta. It's actual snow. Looks like home in New York.
Schools transitioned to virtual learning or closed entirely. Offices were shuttered, and emergency crews worked to clear stranded vehicles from the roads. The city was determined to prevent the gridlock and chaos that had defined past winter storms.
How's she?
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.